Kondong alaji ngakalam da bisa da brika mo tano do kana donation wala lafta ya humole yemin donation ne pena nyaa mina sabu brika mo tano nyin tombo
okay barakallahu awal different nada brika mo ko me yalla nyaame da taka ka nyaame ni foundation mo ko nga kala ci ama bi tenga bagason de sama na wala mo incubator ni amo incubator wala mo ni dindi mo men yaram koy wulu ko bari mansi wala mo ni masido so ke lande ni ko fo jandi wulu wato be sila wato men so nara mais ko fa so pour nya après la so na da wato pour nya do ka nya di la condition do nyame kala solution la nyame so ye machine do fa so da ne ala pour ka bulada check lan yes como bulada machine on pour ka check in case no infection so ko whatsoever so asa tangi and then this one also for as we use ICU intensive care unit so wala mo tamal de na kate no do faso ba comme space o ni so carton ni mo ko fle tara no store because Friday la nga baga so sama na ko so yet so pour bi Monday c'est and so na to do so we have also 31 boxes for na baga so le pa ko no wala ni le na so wala ni baga so je pour na hand over management for at least as a useful know for the people.
Why always brikama ngakalam da mo ko da la donation kana na brikama
okay brikama yalo brikama ni agiwe brikama ro location ro nyaame en Gambia and then la hospital ni fana aka men ko ba momen amount ka jang aten ni agila sia ba so ni hospital do de maro ni ndala miro brikama la ni ka tan ro ko ila attendance ni asiada ni na jam always ikam wol nan jam ni kana jam aten so e de maro ni anda be located in Gambia dana to ma mo jama ka access no kana tangi dan ni ka fura to the city so ngam like this is very important pour ngi ma ko brikama na risis ay tambi nyina ay ke mayo hospital because ni aji be brikama location dan mo men ka jan aten so definitely brikama ala standard nyanda boy game ngatam to next level because ibaja da reference ni abatala la press of na abatala kanifin and banjul kan and then abatala more development for the community and the community help la brikama na corporate ni mo li yalo ibaja la ko jamma ni kala ni kala ta ke no so wala na brikama choose
most of time donation okay kala plekala impact ni de especially material ni ka utilize nyami I don't mean advice like sabla amane ni no towards the donation ya ko ko le kena na jam ulu
okay ila wo ni ka ba kuma ba ama yalo ama ning mobe ma ko roke abe ton di le ke ma ko pour que fanna fala pour que fayi wala so amare ni abe la filale pour ka je dal ton men nata ibe muna fa kala le andong ayena fa so handle over ka hand over fana like ka take ba handle la nyame this is very important also comme like nim bagaso mo ni adibe ila cost is a lot so nana so it's better yeah I take care so and then full fana fasa so do hada do no ya da fanga problem so but na problem so as deda ya adeda e ba jela fana ka de marban e ka kontan ni aje fon kina ya je ko dal molde muna fa kala okay ko nan ba ko we kam samana ay landi e mandra use ka hani okay jam brikama ni fon na brikama ja ni brikama lo ta use no in the dia nka dia mara in sa samano another hospital because it's for the Gambia ni brikama may use no in sa samano other places but brikama is our place okay
good morning all. My name is Dr. Momo Wage. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Brikama District Hospital. So I must first of all acknowledge the receipt of the following equipment. We have the operating machine for the eye unit, and we have the neonatal incubator. Yeah, we have a bladder scanner, and also, of course, we have a resuscitation machine, usually meant for ICU use or for emergency use. So we must really thank the donors very well through Aladdin. He has been very supportive. We acknowledge that. Aladdin has been a very good friend. This is not the first time we are receiving equipment like this. And we also have services such as refurbishing our structures that otherwise couldn't have been used. Like for example, we have our old theater that has been here for a while. It's refurbished by this Aladdin and team. We are very grateful. We've just he has just handed over the keys to us, and currently we are very proud of them. So currently having received this incubator, for example, our neonatal intensive care unit is under construction. Very soon, inshallah, in about a week, we'll inaugurate it, and then this neonatal incubator will be very useful. Although we may need more than one, but however, we've received one already, at least to start with, and we would really be happy if the donors can continue to support, especially the neonatal intensive care unit, to get some of this important equipment for us. And we also need a radiant heater. We need baby cots. Those things are very, very crucial for our work, and we will be happy to receive them in the shortest possible time, because very soon, in a month time, we will start the neonatal intensive care unit. Because really, neonatal unit is long overdue for Brikama. Because considering the number of deliveries we conduct in this hospital, it's really overwhelming. So as a result, we are even called Baby Factory. That's our nickname. So because of that, the donors could really look into that to support us getting some of this important equipment for the young babies or neonates. Yeah, so that is very important.
Yes, we've had Aladdin in his deliberation that these materials or equipment are expensive. You as the head of the clinic or the hospital, what assurance will you give to the donors that these things will be properly taken care of?
Yes, for sure. I can assure you that we will make sure that these equipment are properly used and maintained at the right time, because these equipments are going to be used by experts, and those experts really know the cost of some of these equipment. Yeah, so we will be rest assured it will be put into good use, and then we'll maintain it to the best of our ability. That one I have no question about that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's have